In this video, we are going to see how to make creamy coffee ice cream with just 3 ingredients. First, in a bowl, take 2 cups of cold whipping cream. Instead of whipping cream, you can also take fresh cream of any brand, but then remember to add powdered sugar in it until it is sweet enough. Then, using a beater, beat it until semi-stiff peaks. Then here in a cup I have taken almost 2 tablespoons of instant coffee powder. I have taken Nescafe, you can take any other brand that you like. Then in it I have added almost half cup of water and 3 to 4 tablespoons of sugar. You can take either powdered sugar or granulated sugar in the coffee mixture. Then give it a quick stir and then add this in this whipping cream. Then here I am adding almost 1 teaspoon of vanilla. This is optional, if you have it you can add this. Then again give it a quick beat until everything is combined well. For the sweetness I am adding almost half cup of condensed milk. But you can add more or less according to your taste. I mean, you can add little at a time, mix it and then taste it. If you feel the sweetness is nice or perfect, then you can stop, or you can also add more if you want. So I am adding some more because I felt that it was less sweet. So total I guess I added almost 200 ml out of 400 ml can. So in all my ice cream recipes, I always prefer to add condensed milk instead of powdered sugar, because the texture of ice cream that we want is only possible if we add condensed milk, and if we add powdered sugar then we might not get that texture of ice cream that we get from store-bought ice creams. So condensed milk is very important in all the ice cream recipes. That is why I prefer condensed milk. Now using a spatula, give this all a quick mix and transfer it into a plastic container or any vessel, steel container that you have at your home. Then place a piece of butter paper at the top of this ice cream. You can also place a foil paper if you do not have butter paper. The remaining ice cream mixture I am transferring in another plastic container, a small one. After placing butter paper, we need to cover the whole container using a foil paper. Then freeze this in your freezer section overnight, or at least for 12 hours. So this is post 15 to 16 hours I guess. You can see how nice texture this ice cream has got. So you can warm some water, dip your ice cream scoop in that water and scoop out some ice cream, or you can just do it like this. This ice cream is very rich in coffee, and the whipping cream, condensed milk, everything has added the sweetness in this ice cream. You have got a very nice texture, you can see by yourself.